my name is Maria Ortega and you are on the Ladymaria51 channel. Today I will share my recipe for how to make Haagen-Dazs style vanilla ice cream. Those who have tried this ice cream know what I'm talking about. This ice cream is delicious and they sell it in different stores. And today I'm going to share my secret recipe with you. And above all, with ingredients that you have at home and made without an ice cream machine. You can do it with the mixer or hand mixer. This recipe is in Spanish on my YouTube channel. You can find the link in the information box. La receta que le están enseñando hoy está en mi canal de YouTube en español. Les dejaré el enlace en la cajita de información. So join us in preparing this delicious vanilla ice cream. The ingredients you need to prepare the vanilla ice cream are the following. 1 cup of fresh milk, that is equal to 8 ounces. 1 cup of heavy cream, that is equal to 8 ounces. 1 tablespoon of white vanilla, which is equal to 15 milliliters. And 6 ounces of condensed milk. That's all the ingredients you need to make the vanilla ice cream. It is essential for the cup measurement that we are using, as we are using the measuring cups. And for the tablespoon of vanilla that we will add to the recipe, we are using the measuring spoon, just like this one. Both cup and teaspoon give the exact measurement. Now we go to the procedure. We start by adding the ingredients. We add the heavy cream, add the fresh milk, add the white vanilla, and now we're going to add the condensed milk. This milk is very thick. Now we're going to beat the ingredients until they are well mixed. Look how the mixture is. The mixture must be neither too liquid nor too thick. Now we're going to do is that we're going to put it in this container to place it in the freezer. And we are here with the help of a spatula, cleaning what remains on the container walls. We will put it in the freezer for 8 to 10 hours to then enjoy this delicious vanilla ice cream. I have already placed the mixture in the fridge, and it has to be 8 to 10 hours for the delightful vanilla ice cream to be ready. I have already made double the mix, which means I made the recipe twice. Let's see how it looks. Here is the mix I have prepared for you. Look how it looks! Looks so pretty! Now what we will do is that we will serve in these cones, and we will serve our vanilla ice cream. When you try it, I know you're going to like it. My family loves this ice cream. I'm serving with this smaller cookie scoop, but it works too. I already put a bowl, and now we're going to put another bowl. Look how pretty! And here we have the second, and now we're going to the third. I like to use this little cookie scoop. Look so creamy and delicious, this vanilla ice cream. It tastes delicious. Prepare it at home. It is very easy, and the best part that is only with a few ingredients that you usually have at home. Share this video with your friends and family and to your social medias. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and activate the bell. See you in the next video.